Hey YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lakia or KeyiaaG, whoever you want to call it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do my everyday go-to makeup routine. So it really don't require that much steps or anything. But yeah, so if you are interested, just continue watching.
Right, baby, it tastes like cherry, kiwi, real big.
What's up, bitches? I'm back with another video, of course, and I usually don't start off with doing my eyebrows, but I just wanted to show y'all how I do my eyebrows again because I do my eyebrows a different ways, so I don't know why. But I don't use expensive products for my makeup at all. Like that Salon Perfect, that's something you could get from Walmart, literally. And then yeah, LA Girl Pro Concealer, I use that all the time. That's literally almost the only concealer I use anyway. I use Warm Honey to conceal my eyebrows and do my highlight when I get done doing my foundation and stuff. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with a flat brush, and yeah. So next I use this pore minimizing primer from Maybelline, and I just rub that all into my skin where I get the oiliest at, and then I put powder on top of it just so it can control the oils throughout the day when I put on my makeup. And for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Full Coverage Superstay Foundation in 336, I think it was. And I just want to show you guys, as I'm blending out this foundation, this is exactly how you found out what shade is yours. You see how the color is supposed to technically supposed to match your neck. So that's how you found out what your shade is. If the foundation blends in with your neck, then that's your shade. I know this shade is not all the way my shade, but I'm getting there. I'm still learning my foundation colors to this day. I'm still trying to figure out what undertone I am, because this probably be a color I would use for my summer routine if I'm gonna have one. And my beauty blender is damp, by the way. It's not the real beauty blender, but it's a beauty blender I got off of Amazon. And I just wet it to make the product blend out more seamlessly, like how it's doing right now. When you're doing your under eye highlight, you don't necessarily have to put some big ass dumb ass triangles under your shit, okay? Because when you blend it out like that, it's gonna spread out already. So it's like it's no need for you to put all that concealer under your eye when it's gonna spread out as you blend anyway. So this is my favorite setting powder. I always use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powders. And then what I do is I just take the product and I blend it out under my eye. Meanwhile, I still add a layer on top so I can bake, and then my makeup will last a little longer throughout the day anyway. And when you doing your setting powder, do not get scared of you looking too bright or looking too light, because the setting powder is supposed to brighten you up anyway. So you'll see what I'll do at the end to tone it down, but don't get too scared because it's always a way to fix it. And then you see I went in the Morphe 35, I almost said 35B, I'm dumb as fuck, 39A palette, and then I just took those two brown shades and I used that to contour, and then I think that was probably the best contour shade I used. And when you contour, just don't put a whole lot, but don't put a thin ass line either to it, because it's gonna look ugly. Don't use a shade that's too brown because it's gonna look muddy. And maybe in the next video I could show you guys how to contour thoroughly, because I still don't know how to contour. I know how to contour, but I don't know what colors to use. So when I find out the undertones and shades or what people to use, then I can show you guys how to contour. So this is how you can wash that powdery look off your face. Just literally drench your face in some setting powder. And hold on, I just liked how I looked. But just take a sponge and press that setting spray into your skin, and then it should make you look more refreshed, and it'll wash away all that powder off your face. And then I'm just taking that concealer to clean up my wing liner, because one was looking jankier than the other, and I don't like this shit. So you can use concealer to correct any imperfect lines, or just basically correct anything you feel like is imperfect. So this is the finishing look. This is my go-to everyday makeup routine, except these lashes. I just started back wearing these. Yes, I'm really feeling my eyebrows though, because I'm feeling, ooh. It's like, I look so good. I love these lashes. I love everything about this look, but this is my go-to everyday makeup routine. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and press that bell button just in case you won't miss a video. See you guys next video. I'm gonna bounce like far. I'm in that bitch on the mall. Say that shit, I'm in no choice.